Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to start another program. Okay, the problem statement is the swap the two numbers without using temporary variables. Okay, so let's go to our Jupyter notebook. I have given here problem statement: swap the two number without using temporary variables. Okay, so let's consider. We'll first write down the problem statement: swap the two numbers without using any temporary, okay, temporary variable. Okay, so first we going to see how we're going to find the solution. Okay, so that was our problem statements. So we come to know we have two numbers and we're going to swap the value of two numbers or two variable each other without using any third party variable. Okay, so first we're going to say problem statement. Okay, problem solution. Okay, so first steps we're going to take two numbers. So let's consider first step is taking two numbers. Take the input value or variable input, take the variable value from user. Let's consider, for example, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5. Okay, that was the input we are going to take from user. Second thing, store the value into the variable that we are going to store it, the value. Store the value into var. Okay, third one is we are going to do our operations. Okay, so we are going to do the two operations, perform the logic on your program. Okay, and fourth one, print output. Okay, so these are the steps we are going to take or we are going to follow to get the output or to solve this problem. Okay, so first we are going to understand the problems. Okay, let's consider a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 15. We have two variable a and b. First, if we print this a and b, a comma b, okay, it will print 10 and 5 because we assign the 10 value to a and 15 value to b. But what I expected is, okay, what is the program expected is output. Okay, output should be like this. Okay, a is equal to 15 and b is equal to 10 after the program execution. Okay, once we build the program want this output. Okay, because initially we assign some value, we need to do the we need to perform some operations or we need to do some coding, and based on that programs it will show the this kind of output. That is the things. Okay, so that is it. This is the actual value and this is the expected thing. Okay, so let's do the program. First we're going to take the input. Let's consider a int input, enter the value 1, value 1. Okay, now and we have stored into the b a by value. Now taking another second variable value, enter the value So up to here we are done. Okay, we have taken two variable and we try to take the input from user and we try to save it to this variable. Okay, so let's consider now. If I print it a comma b, just run program, I will give the a value is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and what we got, a and 20. Now once we after here after this print statement, we are going to do the programming and we're going to exchange the value of a and b. So here I will say value of a is value of b is, okay. Now we're going to do, we have two things, okay. The very good option given by the Python is that assigning variable. Okay, so a and we have b. Okay, so if I want assign the b value to a, I can do this also, b comma a. Okay, so first value b comma a means here we going to change the sequence. So whatever the current value of holding value of b is going to assign a, and whatever the value currently holding of a is going to assign to b. So in this situation we are going to replace their existing value. So if you print swap value of a is a and the swap value is equal to b, indentation. Okay, we'll take into the another, yeah, sorry, that was the mistake. Okay, and here we just put the comma. Okay, so first I will going to assign the value to a is a 10, value b is equal to 20, and after that I got the value. Okay, so enter the value 10. Okay, value of a and a is 10 and value of b is equal to 20. The swap value of a is equal to 20 and swap value of b is equal to 10. So here we have changed the value. This is the one of the way. Okay, we can change the value. Another is a logical way. I will just copy as it is here. I will change this logic from here. Okay, so we're going to do the some addition program. A is equal to a plus b. Okay, so let's, for example, 10 plus 20. Okay, here we are going to do assign to is equal to 30 and we are going to assign to 30 to a. The second step is equal to b is equal to a minus b. So how much b is here now? How much b here now? Here a is 30 because here we got the, here we'll say a is equal to 30. Okay, now a's value is 30. Now a is 30. How much b is equal to? B is 20. So what will the b value is equal to? 10. Okay, now a is equal to, now still a is a 30, a minus b. Okay, so now how much is b? Okay, sorry, how much b is? B is 10. How much is a is 30? So 30 minus 10. So how much it will be? 20. So the final output is equal to a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. Okay, and we just rerun the programs. 10 for a, 20 for b. Okay, so value of a is equal to 10, value b is equal to 20, swap value of a is equal to 20 and swap value b is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the, you can do the multiplication also here, you can do the division operator also, you can use the XOR also. There are number of way to do this. Okay, so we found two which are the better and best way. Okay, so this one is swapping assigning orders. We change the assigning order, and here is a plus operation, plus minus operation. So this way we can going to solve the problem. So that's it for this program. Thank you watching for my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and like, comment for my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.